Hello friends, my name is Ansh Bansal. I enrolled for 2-year integrated classroom program at Akash.
1.40 angstrom, ठीक है ना? तो delocalized bond ये भी आएगा हमारे पास. So किन-किन information होनी थोड़ी ज़रूर.
Classroom sessions are very interactive and competitive. Teachers are also very friendly and help us in clearing all our doubts and provide crystal clear concepts. Study packages of Akash Institute helps in both board and entrance examinations. These are based on NCERT and cover additional content also, which are helpful in cracking medical entrance exams like NEET. There are many regular tests at Akash like fortnightly test, term test, AITS etc. which provide us exam-like pattern and conditions. In the AITS conducted at national level, thousands of students participate including Akashian and non-Akashian, which help us in assessing our ranks and improve our weaknesses. iTutor is the best platform provided only by Akash Institute in the country, which helps us to prepare our lectures which we could not attend due to illness or any other problem. Along with iTutor, library at Akash is well maintained and enriched by foreign author books along with the best Indian author books, which may be required for preparation along with the study package.
Let us take an example, fx equal to x square sin x, and I want to differentiate it. Definitely the product rule will apply here.
Most of our doubts are cleared properly in the classroom sessions itself. In the doubt sessions, faculty welcome doubts on our weak topics, reference books and the competitive exams like KVPY. I practiced a lot of questions in 2 years at Akash. I used to solve MCAPs, study packages, various question banks given at Akash. Moreover, different tests like fortnightly tests, term test and test series like AITS provide good level of questions and an exam-like environment as well. The diverse variety of questions I practiced is the key to score good marks in NEET exam. I joined 2-year integrated classroom program at Akash. The program is well planned to allow students to manage time wisely, that is, to cover syllabus in an appropriate time as well as giving ample time for self-study. After the classes, I used to do self-study and clear my doubts. After completion of syllabus, I revised my syllabus and got help in every way possible from the faculties. The teachers were there to guide me and they always motivated me and directed me to move in the right direction. Respected Chairman Sir at Akash motivated and inspired me every now and then through his personal interaction and motivational speeches. These are oriented towards cultural values along with providing respect to our parents and elders. This is a unique feature at Akash. I would like to thank my parents, faculties at Akash, which helped in securing a very good rank. Therefore, I suggest all the medical aspirants to come and experience the success at Akash because it is the best platform to crack all types of medical entrance exam.